Introducing David Achom, a name synonymous with excellence in wealth management and financial empowerment. An American certified wealth manager, Nigerian business magnate, and philanthropist, David stands at the helm of innovation as the founder and executive chairman of Afro Money Week Limited, the visionary force behind the celebrated Lagos Money Week. As the dynamic CEO of Pace Setters Entrepreneurs Network, PEN Global Group, David Achom's impact is nothing short of extraordinary. In 2022, he secured the second spot on the list of top 22 young trailblazers in Nigeria. The following year, he was honored with the prestigious Sir Ahmadu Bello Sardauna Platinum Award of Excellence, recognizing him as the Achiever par excellence by the National Association of Northern Nigerian Students. In 2023, David achieved global recognition with the Nobel Prize for Excellence, presented by the Youth Coalition for Education in Nigeria, YOCEN, acknowledging him as a beacon of hope in Nigeria. He also got an ambassadorship deal of 25 million naira with TenTrade, a globally renowned multi-asset brokerage firm. A leading figure in African Forex landscape, David Achom founded Elevator Trading Academy, imparting financial confidence to over 15,000 individuals across various social media platforms and through personalized training sessions. Beyond his impactful presence online, David is an acclaimed author and a sought-after speaker, delivering over 20 keynote speeches annually. Today, we welcome David Achom, a visionary leader, a beacon of hope, and a global force shaping the future of wealth management and financial education.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are joining us from. Give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Yeah, I'm back. So sorry, here is not well lit. Okay. Um, because the honest truth is they are still setting up my office space in my new apartment. Okay. They're still setting up my office space in my new house, so that's why it's not well lit. And then the lights, the two lights have not been set up, they're just there lying down. So please pardon me. Where I am is not well lit. Maybe if I move back, it's still not well lit. So you manage it like that. Anyways, where are you joining us from? What location are you at right now? What location are you at right now? I am right now in Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Today we're going to look at the charts. We're going to do a lot of beautiful things. Um, but you have to let me know, where are you right now? What location are you at right now? What location are you at right now? Um, Today I have three powerful things to share with you. Three, very powerful. One is obviously a trading signal. Second is a trading advice. And third is a project that I'm embarking on. One is a trading signal. Second is a trading advice. And third is a big project I'm embarking on. Which one do you want me to tell you first of all? Which one should we start with? Which of them should we start with? I have three things I want to share with you. Which of them should we start with? Trading signal, trading advice, or new project I'm working on? Which of them do you want to hear first? Which of them should we start with? Lagos, Ilorin. When I will say trading advice. Mayor Sark said the project. Port Harcourt, Ogun State. All. How can I start with all? FGM traders. Eh? That's what they do for you. David Scott said trading advice. So two people want trading advice. One person wants project. So I think we're going to go with trading advice. Because we have to go with what the majority wants. Okay? We have to go with what the majority wants. You say enjoyment minister, I salute you from Abuja. How am I enjoying? See how I am looking stressed. And anyways, is a trading advice period. How can I do that? God's love. Okay, I should trading advice first, project next, then signal. I like that. I like that order actually. I think we're going to go with that order. And more because everybody else is picking trading advice first. So we do trading advice first. I'm begging you guys. I'm begging you guys. No matter how hard things get. Now, this is not the regular don't give up here. This is a don't give up coming from a place of an experience. I've experienced the good, I've experienced the bad, I've experienced the ugly, I've experienced the beautiful. What have I not experienced in Forex? Do you understand? I've experienced everything you can think of. And one thing I know is those who give up regret it at the end of the day. I'm serious. If you give up, you're going to regret it at the end of the day. I'm serious. I'm serious. It's better to keep failing, and someday you achieve success than to give up and you don't achieve success. It's better to do it and fail than to not do it at all. I'm serious. You have started with Forex. Do you think any other industry can give you the money that Forex can give you? Hmm? If not tech, what else? Medicine can, but you have to be a high level professional. Mhm. Maybe importation and exportation. Again, you have to be a high level professional. For Forex, entry level, you can have a very major breakthrough at an entry level. You can have a very major breakthrough at an entry level. A really major breakthrough at an entry level. If you can learn this craft well, all you would need is more money and more money and more money. Do you understand? That's all you would need to make more from Forex. Just learn this thing well, first of all. I'm serious. I'm very serious. If you learn this thing well, all you will need is just more money, more profit, more money, more profit, more money, more profit, more money, more profit, and so on and so forth. That's all you need. I'm serious. That's all you need. You have to learn it first. I'm serious. I'm serious. You can make hundreds of millions. And I know you guys have goals and you set your goals in US dollar. The advice I would give is set your goals in naira. Then forex, because you are earning in dollars, will help you achieve your naira goals quickly. I had a goal of 100 million naira. That's a right now in our current exchange rate. That's like $65,000, or maybe 80. Let's say 80K, sha. With 80K, you have 100 million naira. Let me get the exact figure. I don't want to assume. My goal was 100 million naira. 100 million divided by 1,700. That's just $59,000 with the current exchange rate. But that time when I had to go, it was $85,000 actually. I remember very well. Also, like it was a while. Guess what? It was easy for me to achieve it because my goals were in naira and I was earning in dollars. I see you guys setting $100,000 goal. When you make $1,000, guess what? You spend it recklessly because you say no, it's too far from $100,000. Now, if your goal is 100 million naira, $1,000 is 1.5 million. You are 1.5% in profit. You will not spend it recklessly. But if your goal is $100,000 and you make $1,500, guess what? Your mind will tell you that because it's dollar, I can make more. You spend that one recklessly. Saved up for emergencies. Set a goal before the end of this year. I've set a new goal. I won't tell you. Maybe I can tell my boys here, but I won't tell you. I have a new goal before the end of this year. I want to have saved up this amount from Forex. I told my father that in December I will invite him to my new house. I'll buy another house. I told him. I said, because he came here yesterday, he came to my house yesterday. I said, no worry, this is just one. What do you know to say? I'll buy another one and I will invite you again. Set your goals in naira. Let dollar help you achieve it. Here in Australia, set your goals in Australian dollar. Let US dollar help you achieve it. Anywhere you are, if you're in Dubai, set your goals in dirhams. Let US dollar help you achieve it. I hope you are learning. Don't give up, number one, and set your goals in your local currency so that your earning currency will help you achieve it. And make sure your earning currency is higher than your local currency. Write that one down. Write that one down. Make sure your earning currency is higher than your local currency. Recession proof advice 101. Recession proof advice 101. Make sure earning currency is higher than your local currency. Than your local currency. Am I making any sense? Am I making sense? Good. Enough of the advice. Enough of the advice. Enough of the advice. The project I'm working on. Hmm? This is October. Precisely October 7th. You know, there's Lagos Money Week we did 2 years ago. The Lagos Money Week we did last year. Afterwards, we changed the name to Afro Money Week, and then we have done Afro Money Week Port Harcourt successfully. So first edition of Afro Money Week Lagos, which will be the third edition of Lagos Money Week, are planning to hold it in November. Tentative dates, November. Tentative date is November. Tentative date. However, I need you guys to show up and support. Other years, I've been telling you guys to show up and learn because we have built a brand. But this one, I'm telling you to show up and support because this is the first edition of Afro Money Week in Lagos. Other edition, like last year, I didn't say show up and support. I said show up and learn because that was our, like, that's Lagos Money Week. And we had made a statement. We have not made a statement with Afro Money Week Lagos. If you're a graphic designer, you're willing to offer your service, I have a reward for you, but it's not salary. It's not salary. I have a reward for you, but it's not salary. If you're a videographer, you're willing to serve, you're willing to work with me, I have a reward for you, but it's not salary. It's not salary. Oh. If you're a content developer, you're willing to work with me, it's not salary. Oh. A marketer, whatever you're doing, if you are willing to work with me, not on a salary base. If you are, then reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram is showing on the screen right now. My Instagram is showing on the screen right now. Only Instagram, please. If you reach out to my LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, I may not see it quickly. Instagram, I'll see it in speed of light because my phone is always with me. So please reach out to me if you are willing to serve and work. Okay? And then please send the resume, not resume rather, send your portfolio, like what you've done, so that we can see what you've done, whether we are bringing you in as assistant or to lead a team. That's the second thing I wanted to share. Third, before we call it a day, is trading signal. Third is trading signal. I want us to dissect GBP USD completely now. I'm tired of the half. Yes, remove them. Good. We'll start from the monthly. What's the monthly time frame looking like? Okay. So on the monthly time frame, I'm picking three things. Okay. A major high, are you with me? And when I say a major high, I'm looking at the start of this month's candle. Start of this month's candle is the major high. Start of this month's candle. Then the lowest of this month's candle also. For monthly zone, I want to change it to orange. Orange is monthly zone. Right? Now, what's the structure on this monthly? Last few months, heavy bullish, heavy bearish. Can someone tell me, please? What's the current monthly structure? Current monthly trend? Bullish or bearish? Hmm? Why bullish? Two major swings. So two most recent swings have been what? Look at, oh yeah, swing low. Then right now we're in swing high, right? But have we broken any structure? This was the structure before this low now that broke this lower structure. This was the high that led to it. Remember, look at this. After this low, we had this high before this low was taken out here, right? Have any high taken this high out? Hmm? So are we bullish or bearish? Thank you. We are bearish on the monthly time frame. Monthly is bearish. He says, sir, I was arrested because I got loan from Union Bank about 12.5 million using my family members. I lost everything to trading. EFCC arrested me a year ago. I don't want to go to court now. Will help. Ah, you took loan from Union Bank. You use your family members. And you took it inside Forex. You thought Forex is a joke. So this is quite a sensitive situation. Message me on Instagram. I won't give you money. I will hear your story out. And if I can offer help in terms of calling EFCC or maybe calling Union Bank, by God's grace, I know the owner of Union. By God's grace, I know the EFCC chairman. On a very light note for both of them. So if I can offer help, I will. If not, I will pray for you. I know God. Mhm. I mean, I know those three major stakeholders: God, Union Bank, owner, and EFCC chairman. So I can help you out a little bit. Message my Instagram, but I'm not giving you money. I won't give you money. I didn't send you to borrow loan. Bearish, bullish, obviously. Bullish. This one say bullishy. Okay, oh, you don't turn out to killish. Nice. Partially having probably a temporary. What was that? Partially having probably a temporary bearish zone. Grammatical, grammatical blunder. We are bearish on GBP USD 1 month time frame. Right now it is bearish. What did I say? Right now it is bearish. And that's because we have not broken any major zone. See, see this major monthly high has not been taken out. Do you understand? As long as price has not taken that high out, you are still bearish. If price taps on that high but did not take it out, we are still bearish on the monthly. Yeah, right. M1 monthly, M1 bearish. Yeah, monthly is what? Bearish. Where can I write this one now? Monthly is bearish. Let's go to weekly. Weekly may be bullish or bearish. You never can tell. The only way to know is what are the two major most recent swings. We have a swing low and the what? And the swing high, right? Have this high taken out this high. It means even on the weekly we are bearish. Thank you. Even on the weekly we are bearish. Even on the weekly we are bearish. But then what I want to pick is the structure to the upside, starting from this high, this low, then this was where the break occurred and retest, right? Then high. Now we have a low, right? So if price breaks this high, then we have a high. If price breaks this low, then we are bearish. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let me explain to you guys again. So we had a swing sell, and then we are in a swing buy, right? I'm now saying that for this swing buy to continue, price has to continue pushing upward by breaking from this down now, pushing up to break this orange line we have here. If price fails to do that and goes lower than this red line here, I mean this low. Let me show you the low. So this red place here, this low, because look at this. According to structure, right? According to structure, this high led to this low, and then led to this high, right? This was the break of this structure, and then we had a retest here, right? And now we have price up. So if price goes up, then it means the swing buy has continued. If from here price fails to go up and then breaks below this point, it means the swing high and the swing buy has changed trend to a sell. Do you understand what I'm saying? I hope you guys online are following me. Okay, good. So the high low, if it goes up, then you're continuing the buy trend. If it breaks and closes below these points, then you have changed trend. I like that we have that statement clearly made out. But as of now, we are still bullish, right? I mean, we are still bearish, right? No, on this current swing, rather. The current swing, we are bullish, right? Good. So, what that means is, excuse me, what that means is monthly bearish, weekly bearish. Weekly is bearish only because of this high that has not been taken out. Even though we are in a swing buy, but we are still in a bearish trend on the weekly. Monthly bearish, weekly bearish, daily now. Daily, what are the two most recent swings that you can see? I can see this swing low, right? Abi? Then we can see this swing high. Most recent we can see. We can see. I can see this swing low and this swing high. So what does that go to tell us? Daily is what? Bullish or bearish online, guys? Tell me. Daily time frame, bullish or bearish? Daily time frame, bullish or bearish? Boy, perfect, 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 perfect. I like that. Monthly bearish, weekly bearish, daily bullish. Now, whatever time frame you're entering on, that time frame and the two time frames before it must be together. If our entry is 15 minutes, it means 1 hour and 4 hours must be on the same trend with the 15 minutes. If you're entering on 1 hour, it means 4 hours and daily must be the same trend. Must be the same trend. 4 hours and what? Daily. If you're entering on 4 hours, it means daily and weekly must be the same trend. That's why I don't see trade every time. People are always wondering why I will see trade once in a whole week. People always wonder why. But anytime I call trade out, how many of them hit SL? How many of them hit profits? Maybe if I got 10, maybe 8 hit profit or 7, sometimes 9. On rare occasions, 10 over 10. But I don't have a 60% win rate. No, I have 70 and above because I'm patient with my process. I may not see trade like all of you guys online that I always taking trade every day. I may not, but the ones I see. My trades are trades that when you take, you can go and sleep. So if you're entering 15 minutes, 1.5 hours will be on the same trade. Yes, sir. If you're entering 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour must be on the same trend. Amen. Amen. God of my pastor power. So daily has been confirmed to be bullish. Now let's draw the structure for the daily. For the current bullish. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, right? Now I want us to backtest something in 2 seconds. This low to high here, price retraced to 32.8 and went up to minus 27, right? Good. One. Let's backtest second one. This one here. Price retraced to 79% and went up to minus 27, right? Yes. Third one. Price retraced to 32.8 and went up to minus 27, right? Yes. Good. What does that go to tell you? 32.8, is that a strong zone or not? Is it strong or not? Much stronger than the 50 and 61 points. You guys online, tell me. 3 times, so 3. Price got to 32.8, reversed and went up to minus 27. First of all, we can make clear minus 27 is always a definite take profit. Whatever you're doing, once you reach minus 27, close your trade. Abi? That one is clear already. Nobody, you don't need a prophet to tell you that. But for entry, Now, my question or your question should be 32.8 and then our initial 61.8 preferred level. It's a fast stretch, sir. How do we know when to enter at 61.8? I be at 32.8. So when price did this 32.8, how was the candlestick reaction? The movement was stalling, right? Good. When price did this 79, how was the movement? Very solid pull down, right? Hmm? When price did minus this 32.8 again, how was the movement? It was just in and out, I mean. In and out, I mean. What that means is when you see heavy pullback, price is going to retrace at the lower zone. When you see sluggish pullback, price will retrace at 32.8. Do you understand what I just said? I mean, I just show you this little back test. So when we see price pulling back, hmm, if it's a solid pullback without much range, I'm expecting price to go down to 61.8, 79, 70. Yes, sir. The sluggish, I went out at 2.8. And my SL will be at just below 50. Enter to 2.8. SL just below 50. Just below 50. If you hit it, no problem. But just below 50. If that makes sense, right sense. Sir, can you re-explain? Can you re-explain? Can you re-explain? Okay. I will re-explain now. If the pullback, and when I say pullback, I'm talking about this. After the move, this is the pullback here. This did. This is the pullback here. This is the pullback. If this pullback is sluggish, I mean price keeps ranging in and out and in and out and in and out. Guess what? Price will stop at 32.8. But after this heavy move, if the pullback is solid, price is coming down to your preferred entry zone. If it's a sluggish pullback, enter at 32.8. This strategy is not 100%, but it saves you a lot. If it's a sluggish pullback, enter at 32.8. If it is not a sluggish pullback, enter at your lower preferred entry. If that makes sense, right sense. If it makes sense now, right sense. If it makes sense now, right sense. Sense, 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 sense. I like that. Um, so we have confirmed that daily is bullish. Let's go to 4 hours now. Let's go to what? 4 hours. We said daily is bullish. 4 hours, bullish or bearish? 4 hours bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish? The structure I just gave you now, bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish? This one say bearish, this one say bullish, this one say bullish, this one say bearish, this one say change your character, this one say bearish, this one say bearish. Mr. Ozama, is this bullish or bearish? Bullish. So do you know how you know if something is bullish or bearish? Market structure, I always tell you. We have low, we have high, we have low, we have high, we have low. Guess what? We have high. Price has not taken out any low. So we are still clearly bullish. Amen. We are still what? We are still bullish. We are still very bullish. We are still very bullish. Bearish, there was a market structure shift. Shan HP says Forex is ass. You need to trade futures contracts. Come and teach us futures contracts. Shan HP, message my Instagram. It's scrolling right now. Okay? Message my Instagram. I want to have a conversation with you. Come and teach us futures contracts. They say it is ass. There's a bullish swing, but the bearish swing hasn't taken out the bullish low. I can see on the bearish swing it is still. I can see on the bearish swing it is still bullish. Yes, now it's a bearish swing, but that's not taking out the bullish swing. We are still very, very bullish. Extremely bullish. We are still bullish. We are still very bullish. Now, let's implement ATM strategy. ATM strategy starts from 4 hours. So, what does the strategy tell us to do? On the 4 hour time frame, draw structural zones, highs and lows which you have drawn. Identify confluence areas, change to a line chart to reduce the noise from the candles. Change to a line chart and identify confluence what? Confluence areas. Amen. Amen. Àmọ́pẹ́ wá fún Ọlọ́run wa. Àmọ́pẹ́ wá fún Ọlọ́run wa. Lórí oore rẹ̀ lórí mi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ìyá ìkàkà tán ni. Lórí oore rẹ̀ lórí mi. I prefer this one. 1, 2, 3. I prefer this one. 3 touches enough for me. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, bàbá. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, bàbá. títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o, títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, bàbá, títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o. I like this 1, 2, 3. This one looks good also. Yeah. So I want to pick two more. Oh, yeah, good. Two more zones. Now, what are the zones I'm picking and why am I picking those zones? I'm picking zones with conferences as my potential take profit levels. Amen. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, bàbá. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o. Títí la ó máa yàn. Ẹ ṣé o, bàbá. These two touches, it's not three. Though there's a curve here, but if you check 1 hour, I'm sure it's three. There's a part of the strategy, the next part, which is the 1 hour. I say check to see if there's any significant zones. So let's go to 1 hour. I'm sure there'll be something here. I'm sure. On the 1 hour, you can see it clear, safe. This is the 1 hour zone. That's TP2. So this TP1, TP2, TP3. Overall TP is minus 27 Fibonacci. So let's change back to line charts. Back to line charts on the 1 hour. Next instruction says what? Draw Fibonacci from swing high to swing low for a buy and swing low to swing high for a sell. Already we know from where we are coming from. Let's go back to 4 hours first of all. We know that this is where we are drawing Fibonacci from, this swing low to this swing high. We already know that, right? So let's draw swing low to swing high. And then let's lock it. So price has sat easily on this zone. So this entire zone is a good place to enter the market from. This entire zone. Anywhere inside that zone, you are safe. I'm telling you the truth. Anywhere inside of that zone, you are safe. Anywhere inside of that zone, you are safe. I'm telling you the truth. You can come to 1 hour to see it clearly. And you may want to ask, is 1 hour bullish or bearish? So you are seeing all these bearish moves, but we are asked to pick the two most recent swings. So this is the swing low, and then the swing high that came before it. So it is just like before hours, also it is bullish until it breaks the structure below. Until then, we are still bullish on it, right? The only reason I'm picking this is so I can draw out my take profits. This is my take profits. 27 Fibonacci. Let's change it to green line. So I want to delete my yeah. So what I'll be looking out for, right? You know, this white line was the line we drew on the 4-hour structure, and look at what happened there. Price sat inside of that white line, around top of that white line, and gave us a pump up. Now there are two things. Because 15 minutes is our entry candle, is our entry time frame rather. Is there are two things. There are two things. There are two things. It's either you wait for price to come back into this zone and go, or you want price to break above, retest, and you follow price up. Whatever you do, you are not wrong. Whatever you do, you are not wrong. I'm honest with you. Whatever you do, you are not wrong. If you want price to wait, break, come back, you are not wrong. If you can't wait for price to go and break and come back, you're still not wrong. Whatever you do, you're not wrong. It's a lot of take profits. But guess what? We can't wait till all of them are exhausted. So rather that we start from one into the second and into the third. 60 pips first of all. SL 30. This TP1, right? This TP2. 167 pips. Then we have TP3 and final TP. So we'll stop at this TP2. Our aim is when price is approaching TP2, we'll look for a way to re-enter. But I'll be honest with you, today is Monday. I'm not going to take any trade. But I've said, let me send this signal to you guys. I won't take any trade though. I won't. I won't take any trade at all. I won't take any trade at all. But I've sent this to you guys on Telegram and on WhatsApp. I've sent it on both Telegram and WhatsApp, right? But personally, I won't take any trade till the coast is clear. But this is a very nice trade to ride all the way up. Any question? Any question? DXY is pushing up very hard. Someone say, what's DXY? Dollar index. DXY is dollar index. Is it possible to go to 5 minutes time frame and wait for market to fill this value gap and then scalp bullish? Ah, CME meta BC Stimela. I don't go to 5 minutes for anything. I stopped trading 5 minutes time frame over 8 months now. I've not opened 5 minutes time frame and 1 minute. I don't. I'm not interested. I don't want to scalp. Okay. What's the purpose of the Ekin? Did I open Ekin here? Go from known to the unknown. I didn't open Ekin. So it's not a question. What's the URP? What's the URP? What's the meaning of URP? Ultimate real price, or what's that? I don't know. Type your question well. URP. I don't know that. Sorry. When they were teaching me Forex, they did not teach me URP. So the person is asking, DXY is pushing up. Is pushing up really hard. Something like this, right? We know that this bullish move due to the news will be corrected. I hope you know. The price will come back to correct it. I just hope you know, Sha. So you that are asking that question, I hope you know. This analysis I do I said price will break it, hit here and rebounds. He did exactly that. Sorry. And I drew the analysis from this. See where I drew it from. I said expect price to break it, retest, and go up. And that's what price did. But to come back to fill it up, I'm very sure of that. To come back to fill it up. To come back to fill it up. Okay? So don't be afraid of GXY. Don't be afraid of GXY. So price is coming back into that zone, into our entry. So what is going to happen is I will buy at 1.31025. Let me buy. What does URP mean? That person did not ask for that URP you're talking about. That's not what the person is asking for. I can bet anything on it. Stop loss is 30. So this was the lowest of the month, right? So let's just give it breathing space. 30750. Stop loss 30750. Market execution. Buy now. 31600. I just bought. Um, Let me go to the other account also and buy. Price has moved though. It has moved. It came into that yellow, that white place and then moved immediately. 30750. So we are all buying now. Buy now, not later. Buy now. Your entry should not be higher than 31040. 31040 or below should be your entry. 31040 or below. or below. Don't enter higher than that. 040 or below. Okay. I believe I've done my best in advising you. Whatever else happens to you is in your hands. Is in your hands. Whatever happens to you now, it's in your hands. So I've done my best. I'm expecting price to start buying from this zone all the way up, and everybody is in profit already. I'm very sure of that. You're in profit also. Everybody's in profit, I'm sure. So we'll wait for price to just pump up. But my exit is 31600, because I'm not waiting for final TP or 100 and something pips. I'm okay with 60 something pips because of the lot size I use. All right, number one. Number two is because it's a Monday. And number three, I might get busy with other things. I don't want to be looking at my chart, Okay. I believe that's all from me today. Um, I fulfilled my three promises. I gave you a trading advice. I told you the project I'm working on. I gave you a powerful trading signal. Um, this strategy is too easy. Yes, now it's too easy now. It's very easy now. Any question? Any question? Any question? Everybody's in profit, I know. I won't check my trade again till maybe like 12 p.m. or something. I don't know. I just don't want to check my trade. I think that's all from me today, and have a nice day, you guys. See you at the top, not from the top, because you know what it said. The bottom is extremely crowded. Okay, you remain giveaway aspect. I didn't promise that. The bottom is extremely crowded. Okay, and have a nice day. Bye. I forgot to tell you guys, like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. Just give it a thumbs up now. If you do it later, YouTube, yeah, you may forget. So just do it now. Give it a thumbs up.